Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. When evaluating a PC case, two of the most important quantitative measures are airflow efficiency and noise containment. NZXT's latest H7 Flow tower leans heavily into airflow, as its name suggests, but it offers much more than just excellent ventilation. The chassis features premium-looking perforated panels that give it a striking, high-end appearance, while the overall fit and finish feel top-notch. Inside, NZXT includes 3 efficient intake fans, ensuring strong cooling performance without pushing the price beyond $129.99 MSRP. In our testing, the H7 Flow demonstrated excellent thermal management, earning high marks for both CPU and GPU cooling, making it a standout choice for builders focused on performance and aesthetics. The H7 Flow is ideal for anyone looking for a modern mid-tower in 2024. Its thoughtful design makes cable management simple, so even first-time builders can achieve a clean and professional-looking setup with minimal effort. The case is also well prepared for liquid cooling, capable of supporting one or more large radiators for advanced builds. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, includes two 3.5-inch and two 2.5-inch internal bays, and offers 7 PCI expansion slots. Front panel connectivity is strong with 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and HD audio. The case accommodates GPUs up to 410mm, CPU coolers up to 185mm, and ATX power supplies up to 270mm in length, mounted at the bottom. The H7 Flow includes tempered glass side windows, has no internal lighting, and measures 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches, weighing 24.3 pounds, making it a solid, stylish, and practical choice for modern PC builders. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The PC case can feel like a DIY project before you even install any components, and that's exactly the idea behind the Qube 500. This playful, compact chassis invites you to assemble it much like an IKEA project, giving builders a fun and hands-on experience right out of the box. Available in multiple colors, the Qube 500 combines a cheerful aesthetic with sturdy construction, capable of accommodating full-size ATX motherboards and standard power supplies. For its price, it delivers above-average value while providing an engaging building experience. The Qube 500's assembly-focused design makes it a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts or anyone looking for a creative family project. Once built, it isn't just a novelty. The case performs well, offering practical features like swappable face panels so you can refresh the look whenever the mood strikes. Cable management is simple enough for first-time builders, and the compact footprint makes it an attractive option for small desks or gaming setups where space is limited. Supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, the case provides 4 internal 3.5-inch bays, 3 internal 2.5-inch bays, and 7 PCI expansion slots. Front panel connectivity is versatile, including 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio. The Qube 500 accommodates GPUs up to 368mm, CPU coolers up to 175mm, and power supplies up to 215mm, mounted at the bottom. It includes a single pre-installed fan, has tempered glass side windows, no internal lighting, and measures 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches, weighing 17 pounds. Overall, the Qube 500 blends fun, customization, and practicality, making it an excellent compact case for builders of all ages. Number 3. InWin A3. We often hear the phrase punching above your weight class when someone exceeds expectations, but it applies just as well to PC cases. The InWin A3 is a perfect example. While it's technically a Micro ATX case, it's slightly larger than most in its category, and that extra space delivers substantial benefits. With sleek, distinctive styling typical of InWin, the A3 stands out visually while offering impressive functionality for compact builds. It's a clear winner for PC enthusiasts who want performance without compromise. MicroATX often sits in that tweener zone, overlooked by many high-end builders, yet MicroATX motherboards are frequently the best value in a lineup. The A3 allows users to leverage this sweet spot, supporting performance-oriented builds in a compact form factor. Its thoughtful design ensures excellent airflow and thermal management, making it ideal for performance-conscious builders who need space saving without sacrificing cooling efficiency. The A3 supports MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards and provides two internal 3.5-inch bays, three 2.5-inch bays, and 4 PCI expansion slots. Front panel connectivity includes HD audio, one USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C port, and two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports. The case accommodates GPUs up to 340mm, CPU coolers up to 162mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm, mounted at the top. It comes with one included fan featuring addressable RGB lighting, tempered glass side windows, and no internal chassis lighting. Measuring 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3 is a compact but capable choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance, space-conscious system without giving up style. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. This vibrant green chassis isn't just a looker, it's a budget-friendly powerhouse. The View 270 ARGB packs features usually reserved for higher-end cases, all while keeping the price under $100. From USB Type-C support and wraparound tempered glass to 3 pre-installed ARGB fans and dust filters at every fan location, this case offers an exceptional combination of style, functionality, and value. Its performance and design earned it our Editor's Choice Award, and the striking pistachio green finish of our test unit is hard to beat, though white and hydrangea blue are also available if you prefer a different shade. Think of it as a green giant. Despite its affordability, the View 270TG performs like a premium ATX case, making it an excellent choice for gaming system builders who want to maximize budget for other components. The spacious interior, solid airflow, and quality build make it a case that looks and acts far more expensive than it really is. The View 270 supports ATX, ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, with two internal 3.5-inch bays, two 2.5-inch bays, and 7 PCI expansion slots. Front panel connectivity includes a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and HD audio. It accommodates GPUs up to 428mm, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and ATX power supplies up to 280mm, mounted at the bottom. With 3 included ARGB fans, no internal chassis lighting, tempered glass side panels, and dimensions of 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches at 14 pounds, the View 270 ARGB is a stylish, practical, and highly affordable option for modern PC builders. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Lian Li's DAN A3-mATX is the result of a fresh design collaboration with DAN Cases, a respected German maker known for compact, high-quality chassis. While it's slightly larger than a true compact case, it remains unobtrusive on a desk and packs impressive capacity for its size. Offering excellent build quality and a thoughtful feature set, the DAN A3-mATX represents a Goldilocks option for MicroATX builders in 2024, just the right size for most modern builds. Its combination of practicality and performance earned it our Editor's Choice Award, and for good reason. The DAN A3-mATX is ideal for users building a solid general-purpose PC rather than a liquid-cooled monster with an oversized GPU. It works best with Lian Li's solid side panel, since it doesn't offer extensive cable management options. This makes the case more about function than flashy style, but it delivers on substance where it counts. With support for MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, the case features one internal 3.5-inch bay, three 2.5-inch bays, and 4 PCI expansion slots. Front panel connectivity includes a USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and HD audio. The DAN A3-mATX accommodates GPUs up to 425mm, CPU coolers up to 165mm, and ATX, SFX, or SFXL power supplies up to 270mm, mounted at the front. It includes RGB fans, supports up to 4 120/140mm fan positions, and offers an optional side window accessory. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing just 10.8 pounds, this compact yet capable case provides an outstanding value for micro ATX builders seeking a practical, high-quality option.